Good morning, Northern Michigan, from your local National Weather Service office in Gaylord. This is meteorologist Dave Lawrence bringing you the latest hazardous weather briefing for northern, lower, and eastern upper Michigan. Today is Monday, the 13th day of May, 2013. Well, thankfully, we have nowhere to go but up in the temperature department after that very crummy end to the weekend. Our apologies for that for Mother's Day. Just really a not nice day at all whatsoever out there. We will see one more chance for temperatures to dip to or just below freezing, mainly across northeast lower Michigan the first half of tonight coming up, with some patchy frost possible. Conditions do not look to be as cold as what we've seen here during the overnight hours currently. A better chance for some hazardous weather will come Tuesday night into Wednesday as some thunderstorms develop, move across the area. And actually some of those storms have the potential to produce some hail out there, perhaps even up to the size of quarters. That's something we'll have to keep a closer eye on over the next 24 hours or so as we continue to refine that forecast. Otherwise, additional chances for thunderstorms expected next weekend. But the one thing I really want to turn your attention to as well, despite the recent very wet weather, we will have elevated fire danger expected Wednesday. As temperatures become quite warm, we get some gusty winds, and humidity levels also fall off the table with some very dry air moving back into the area. Your current weather map out there shows high pressure just off to our west, giving us clear skies. Chilly temperatures out there with just about all locations at or below freezing early this morning. That high pressure system basically drifts its way overhead as we go through today. Lots of sunshine expected throughout much of the day. Some increasing high cloudiness late in the day, but that won't spoil. High temperatures getting up into the lower 50s for many spots. Some breezy conditions out there as well, too. So not exactly the warmest of days, but certainly we are headed in the right direction. As we get into tonight, notice a warm front over the upper Midwest and western Great Lakes. That will kind of fade as it works its way eastward for a time. Might provide a couple of light rain showers overnight. That does not look like a big deal. Your better chance for showers and thunderstorms, of course, comes Tuesday night as that warm front inches closer and actually gets stronger, and some very warm air begins to push into the region, at least in the mid-levels of the atmosphere. That will help to, again, set the stage for showers and thunderstorms, a couple of which could actually become severe with some large hail. Thereafter, the weather really quiets down with another chance of showers Wednesday as that cold front you see here moves through. Before that boundary stalls over the southern Great Lakes late in the work week, later Wednesday, and especially Thursday into Friday. That is a classic weather pattern for rather nice conditions this time of the year, as high pressure from Canada makes its way into the northern Great Lakes, and all additional rain chances sort of fall just to our south into the lower Great Lakes and Ohio Valley. So as we wrap up the work week, looks like a great stretch of weather out there with no additional hazards expected, before again more chances for thunderstorms arrive, especially as we head toward next Sunday. In terms of rainfall potential, looks like maybe average amounts between a half inch and 3/4 of an inch expected over the next 7 days. Of course, if we do get any thunderstorms, those amounts will be locally higher. Otherwise, a quick summary for today: highs in the upper 40s near the coasts, lower to perhaps middle 50s if we're lucky inland, though again quite a bit breezy the first half of the day with lots of sunshine expected. And again, drawing your attention to hazards, thunderstorms, and especially fire danger as we get into the day on Wednesday. Otherwise, hope you enjoy your day out there and definitely enjoy the sunshine. It's well deserved after the past couple of days. We look forward to having you join us back here for the latest update to this briefing, which will be posted online and on Facebook sometime before 5 p.m. this afternoon.